Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox freezing. First, install GeForce or AMD software on your computer. Now, go to this PC or my computer. From here, search and go to Roblox Studio. Then, right-click on it and select Open File Location. Once you're here, right-click on Roblox Studio. Then, click on Properties. From here, go to Compatibility. Now, make sure to check Run the program in Compatibility Mode for, and then choose your Windows version. After that, select Run this program as an administrator, and then disable full screen optimizations. After that, click on Apply. Now just run this, and it's done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.